Take a good look at these wallet numbers. This is what financial freedom looks like. If you're ready to learn, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to create a worthless token, extract maximum value, and exit undetected. The profit potential here? Let's just say you'll be measuring success in 6 figures. The full blueprint is moments away, but understand this clearly. Pump fun is where dreams go to die. The strategy I'm revealing today is how the elite operate, generating returns so substantial you'll question whether your wallet app is malfunctioning from the sheer volume. What you're about to observe is a masterclass in market dysfunction. Pull up Photon and filter exclusively for pump fun decks. The relentless stream of joke coins, Chickog, trenching, and hundreds more will shock even seasoned traders. This is the unavoidable consequence of zero quality control, a graveyard of failed tokens created by people who don't belong in this space. Pay attention to this critical contrast. With Radium selected, we see just 5 launches in 7 minutes, yet the liquidity depth eclipses Pump Fun completely. The explanation is elementary. Radium's development requirements separate the wheat from the chaff. This exclusive environment is where we conduct business. The proper technique follows. What you're about to discover will redefine your crypto trajectory. Launch Tool eliminates the technical barrier completely, enabling anyone to execute professional-grade Radium launches. The procedure? Effortless. 5 minutes from start to finish. My extensive field testing confirms. The returns are both predictable and substantial. We're not discussing an ordinary tool. This is financial alchemy made accessible. Observe this high-quality logo acquisition. I always like to center my attention on animals, funny trending stuff, or celebrity themes. Navigate to Canva and calibrate the image to exact 128 by 128 specifications. Apply your finishing touches, note my real-time adjustments, then finalize and save the file. Flawless execution from conception to completion. First, access Launch Tool with precision. We're deploying MOK Coin as our precise token name, with MOK as the exchange identifier. Our value proposition, keep your corn away from Chicken SpongeBob, sets the standard for market positioning. After asset upload confirmation, advance to the economic parameters interface, where we'll implement hedge fund level token structuring. The competitive edge? The supply parameters remain perfectly optimized at 1 billion, critical for our forthcoming strategy. Advancing. The creator metadata requests 0.1 SOL for only changing the creator name, denied without hesitation. Let me just say that I'll turn that button off and skip this not needed section. Social platform connections, perpetually excluded from our playbook. Another swift negation. This decision point determines whether you understand proper protocol. This is non-negotiable security architecture. Revoke freeze ensures market continuity, while revoke update preserves contract integrity. Oh, I forgot about revoke mint. Revoke mint option allows you to mint coins without any limits if you turn it off, neutralizing either protection broadcasts amateurish intentions to seasoned participants. These veterans will abandon your project before the first block confirms. Preserve all default security settings unless you fancy zero liquidity. Final step, engage Launch My Token and prepare for immediate wallet verification. Authorize the transaction with your standard protocol. The base layer is now complete. Blockchain explorers like SolScan will verify our successful contract deployment. Note the pristine execution. Yet the most crucial phase remains. Return to Launch Tool and engage the Create Liquidity Pool function, our gateway to Radium's exchange infrastructure. Priority 1, confirm active wallet synchronization. The decisive action follows, establishing our meme asset as the foundational trading instrument. Engage the token selection interface, then proceed to Launch Tool to obtain your exact contract specification. Return to Radium's environment and implant this address in the verification field adjacent to the token prompt. Our final specifications, MOK as our exchange moniker, complemented by MOK Coin as our formal designation. Activate Add User Token to cement these details, then revalidate your token selection. We're deploying 900 million units from our 1 billion reservoir, the professional benchmark for meme assets. Sol serves as our foundational trading pair. This demonstrates the professional edge. Founding liquidity providers operate with guaranteed capital protection. Essential procedure. Preemptively allocate 0.2 SOL for network fees, which you can clearly see just above the Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Non-negotiable, the 2% fee structure. Following comprehensive system checks, activate Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the exchange. Deployment successful. Our market infrastructure is now operational. Market confirmation achieved. Our token is now formally recognized across Photon's trading ecosystem. Progressing to market analysis protocol. Initialize DEX Screener's professional dashboard and choose any liquidity pair as our control sample. Following complete data loading, navigate to Launch Tool to secure your token's blockchain signature. Re-engage DEX Screener's analytical suite. Substitute the placeholder address with your verified contract code and activate the search protocol. Note: our institutional-grade trading visualization now renders flawlessly. Filter out the negligible bot noise below. Our analytical priority is the order book's substantive activity. Just a couple of minutes of waiting is more than enough to be surprised by our welcome order. And impressively, we've captured our inaugural legitimate buy order placed 17 seconds ago. Value: $45, or in other words, 0.3 Sol. Continuing real-time market monitoring reveals $654 in active liquidity paired with a $588 market valuation, dual indicators of robust upward trajectory. This is amazing. Another $73, 0.48 Sol investment has just materialized under the 30-second mark. This unprompted market participation continues uninterrupted. The system's inherent virality requires zero external stimulation. My initial assessment underestimated this phenomenon. I'm not going to lie, and I'll be completely transparent with you guys. The order book shows a bunch of sells, and it's setting my eyeballs on fire. The most strategic idea I have right now is to rug the coin after the next buy, or maybe the one after that. We'll see, though. Immediate update. A third market order confirms prematurely. The adoption velocity exceeds all institutional models. Stunning. Current valuations reach $82, and it's absolutely the same as 0.54 Sol in realized profits. The growth trajectory appears vertical. Reflect on our starting parameters, $588 total valuation against $654 initial liquidity. And now, $1,000 in the market cap and $896 in the liquidity. The defining characteristic? Just 37 minutes since market inception. In other words, since the coin was paired. Traditional timelines have been radically compressed. I'm executing at peak valuation. Your protocol: initiate Radium's platform, verify wallet linkage, and activate the standard module from the lower interface. The withdrawal methodology: trigger the reduction function, then optimize the slider to full 100% capacity. These significant metrics, while potentially confusing, reflect your total withdrawable assets. The peripheral figures are irrelevant. Focus solely on the SOL denomination, your guaranteed wallet credit. Initiate, remove liquidity, and validate. Objective achieved. This verification indicates cleared funds transfer, the culmination of our calculated approach. Phantom's dashboard confirms $451 realized gains. Quantifiable outcome: $260 capital deployed, $451 returns realized. Essential disclaimer: zero partnerships with demonstrated services. This content serves purely instructional purposes. Present strategy efficacy is remarkable, but digital asset velocity demands immediacy. Your execution time frame is measured in seconds. Deliberation creates irrecoverable loss.